folds of the robe must be exact here.
And the tablet held firmly in the left arm.
To the mark. Steady the rope. Pull, pull. It is set.
Hoya, hiya, lift it high. Hoya, hiya, lift it high. Clear the earth, make the way. Push the roller steady now. Down, down, tamp it down. Down, down, firm the ground. Pull together, lift the stone. Pull together, bring it home.
Set the roller in the path.
Heave, lift the stone. Heave, pull it on. Heave, lift the stone. Heave, pull it on.
We must ensure the scale matches the cord exactly at this point.
It is close, but not perfect. Adjust the stick here.
Pull the rope, lift the stone. Pull together, heave and groan.
Pull together now. Heave. Secure the rib. Drive the pegs deep.
An astonishing feat of engineering. The scaffolding, seen here, was constructed entirely through hand labor.
Push the logs. Heave. Push the logs.
Smooth the cheek plane right here.
Carefully now. The eyelid needs definition.
Pull! Heave! Push the wall! Steady now!
Pull the rope now. Pull the rope now. Hey, lift it high. Pull the rope now. Heave, brothers, heave. Steady the pull. Guide the straightage true.
Heave together now.
Lift it higher.
Clear the path below.
Heave! Pull together now!
Check the alignment here by the 4th knot.
Push the rollers forward now.
Steady, steady. Lift on my count.
Pull.
Heave.
Tighten the knots.
Heave. Pull the rope now.
Steady, steady. Lower it slowly.
Strike the stone. Level it now. All together.
The transcription is empty.